Hey guys, welcome to another Cast Iron Wednesday. This time I'm going to be making baked mac and cheese. We're still going with the theme of side dishes for barbecue and stuff, and this is just a classic that a lot of people make when they do barbecue. Alright, the first thing you got to do is you've got to take and make your noodles. I'm going to use small shells for this, so it'll turn out really good. And kind of got ahead of the ball. I'll put the pasta in there too soon, but I'll keep it stirred up so it doesn't mess it up. Alright guys, now we're to the roux part. I'm going to take in, here's the butter melted. I'm going to add in a cup of the flour, get that stirred in, and then we'll be close to ready for the cheese. Alright guys, got the roux all mixed up now. I'm getting the cheese melted into it. We've got the shells already done and drained. We'll have to melt this all together, and it should turn out pretty good. We'll pour this over the top, and then we'll sprinkle it with some more cheese, and then we will take and put the panko parmesan little breadcrumbs on top, and then we'll bake it, and everything should turn out pretty good. Alright guys, this is how it looks so far. It's just got the mixture in there. It's got some of the extra sauce on top. I'm about to put some more cheese on top of it, and then we'll put the breadcrumbs, and then it'll go in the oven. Alright guys, there she is. Got everything ready. I drizzled a little bit of butter over the breadcrumbs. My wife said that'd make it a little crispier, so we'll see how it turns out. We'll put it in the oven at 350, and we'll get back when it's done. Alright guys, here she is. You can see she's still bubbling. Everything looks good. Let's take the old spoon out. Let's see where we're gonna. Let's break in right here, and we'll just spin this piece over. Oh yeah, that turned out really good. Alright guys, well, there's another successful Cast Iron Wednesday, and like always, I'll see you next Wednesday.